Welcome back, students. Hope you all are fine. In the previous session, we have discussed about colonizing the red planet Mars. India established 3 colonies. Arivumati's family lived in one such colony. On her birthday, her grandfather traveled more than 1500 kilometers to meet her. They have decided to visit the vegetation hub for vegetables. In the hub, grandfather said, these carrots are not tasty anymore, like the ones I ate in my childhood. These carrots are not tasty anymore, like the ones I ate in my childhood. Today, in the vegetation hub, Grandpa said, the carrots in the Mars are not tasty as the carrots he ate in his childhood. She asked, why do you say so, Grandpa? Grandfather explained, the vegetables we grow here do not taste like the ones on the earth. I really wish you had tasted the carrots from the earth. Arivu asked eagerly, how did they grow the crops and vegetables on the earth? Now, the grandfather was sad, like he is missing the earth. He said, the earth had fertile soil. Fertile means producing plenty of crops and vegetation. So, the fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. She asked, but I learned that humans used chemical fertilizers and polluted the soil. Here, we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct, Grandfather? Father laughed. Already I told you, these fruits, vegetables, and water are not the same as in the earth. They are not real. Arivu exclaimed. Exclaimed means surprised. Even the water? He said, of course. In Mars, we get water from burning fuels. On the earth, we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. Survival means to remain alive. Grandfather replied, yes, my dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. Today, we are fighting for things which we got easily. He continued, in the earth, you did not need a spacesuit or an oxygen cylinder, whereas in Mars, you need a spacesuit or an oxygen cylinder. Also, the years are longer here. Arivu said, yes, Grandpa. In Mars, 687 days make a year. He smiled. Grandfather smiled. Ha ha, yes, You'd be 18 years old on the earth now. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home. We destroyed our earth. The home that nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home. Arivu looked at him and said, don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. He said, true, but nothing can be the earth. The earth is our home. Let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate. Okay, children. What is the moral you learned from the lesson? We should save the planet Earth by planting more trees and not polluting the air, land and water. Destroying the earth is destroying ourselves. God has created everything for us. So, we must take care of our planet Earth. Glossary. Sol, Martian solar day, a Martian day. Capsule, a small cylinder shaped bed. Hab, habitat, human settlement. Fuels, an energy source for engines, power plants or reactors. Adapting, modify, readjust. Survival, to remain alive. Terraform, a process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to humans. Scientist, an expert in science. When we combine two words, it is called compound words. Light plus house, lighthouse. Mail plus box, mailbox. Watch plus man, watchman. Rain plus bow, rainbow. Star plus fish, starfish. Foot plus ball, football. Use the clues to complete the compound words. You can see a man reading a newspaper. News plus paper, newspaper. You may see a chair. Wheels. So, wheel plus chair. There is a ball. So, basket plus ball. Basketball. Match the compound words. Hand plus bag, handbag. Ear plus ring, earring. Dragon plus fly, dragonfly. Jelly plus fish, jellyfish. Connect the compound words and create a new word. Cup plus board, cupboard. Moon plus light, moonlight. Cow plus boy, cowboy. Rain plus coat, raincoat. Let's move to question answer. What is the setting of the story? Life on Mars is the setting of the story. Life on Mars is the setting of the story. Second question. Name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hab. Crops and carrots are harvested in the vegetation hab. Crops and carrots are harvested in the vegetation have? Third question. What is a soul? How many souls make a year? A soul is Martian solar day. 687 souls make a year. A soul is Martian solar day. 687 souls make a year. Fourth question. How water is produced in Mars? Water is produced by burning fuels in Mars. Water is produced by burning fuels in Mars. Fifth question. In this story, what happened to the earth? Humans had destroyed the earth. Humans had destroyed the earth. Sixth question. What should be done to save the earth? To save the earth, we should not pollute the air, water, and the land. To save the earth, we should not pollute the air, water, and the land. Okay, children, today's assignment: learn glossary, complete the assignment, choose the correct option, and fill in the blanks. Thank you.